So on our most recent property tour, it was the rental property tour. We had our investors. You see our investors here, Ryan and Chinadu, and then this is the panel with myself, Jason, and our guy JR. And what we were discussing, and the main point of this property tour with our team was to discuss what happens after you own the property or after you purchase it, like during the whole time when you have it, when things start to happen. So in this particular case, they had a property where there was a design flaw with the insulation, which was causing a big situation for the tenant. And it was like, how do you find those type of things? And during our Q&A, this is what our team member Jerry had asked.
Hey, I'm kind of perplexed about the inspector not finding out that it wasn't insulated well, right?
Well, how do you think that inspector? How do you think that an inspector determines that the floor isn't insulated?
Because they're doing foundational. They're supposed to do foundational observations. They definitely do insulation. Especially on the roof, right?
Right, but when you can't see those things, Right. There's no way for you. There's no basement. There's no way for you to see the foundation.
Right, and it's already built too. So if it's already built, only if you did a gut reno, when you're putting it back, now they come and they tell you it has to be up to code. But if it's already built, meaning it's already in the system in the city, when they come, there's nothing for them to inspect to say that it's wrong because it's already built. So it's not really the inspector's fault about finding out flaws like this. It's usually design flaws with these older properties. So then the what you do next once you learn is maybe you buy younger properties, and that's one of the things, solutions that these guys came up with. Like, hey, you know what? I'll get a younger property where it's not so many big things that could happen while I own the property, not big expenses. And listen to this.
5 years without those type of things.
I got you.
Something's gonna happen. The light's gonna go out. Something's gonna happen. But 5 years without like major things.
Major expense, no big ticket items should give us any problems here.
Anyway, y'all, we gotta wrap it up. Any parting words from our investors before say adios to everybody?
We'll see you next week. Same time, same place.
That's a good parting word. What about you, Che?
Man, get in the game, y'all. Get in the game, but make sure you get educated. So you can do a lot of good stuff in here. You can also do a lot of bad stuff. So get in the game, get educated, and we'll definitely catch you next week with our better experience of long-term rentals, just based on what we've learned on this never-ending journey.
And so when you're actually in this game, these are the things that we discuss in our property tours with our team so that you can have confidence that you can get this done. So we go over all scenarios, all right? There's a property tour coming up next week. I'll have the link available in the profile or in the description. And also, if you want to just check out the community and see how we get down, I'll have that link there as well, all right?